decided that I'm gonna start off the vlog today, even though I ended one today. Well, as it's supposed to go, right? Yes, I'm starting off the vlog today. I went to pick up some package, a pseudo unboxing for you. I went to schedule a lash appointment because I feel like we need a little bit more than this. And I'm going to see if I can get wax. Yeah, if I even offer my leg, because it's so hairy and then I can't bother. But I'll come in, so I might as well just wax it and wait for the nail to come. So when the nail come, I use it whenever I start grow again. Oh, my son, sound good, right? Yeah. If you're new, I'm your girl V-La-Nessa. Welcome to my channel. If you're old, welcome back. Yeah, welcome back. Please don't forget to smash that like button. If you're not subscribe, and if you don't turn on the post notification, like what I do, every Saturday I release a vlog, and then within the week I bless you with one, maybe. You understand? So just follow along with this journey and welcome. So I just decided that I'm going to start off this vlog just because it feels like I'm going to do a lot today, so might as well, right? Okay, all right, so I'm going to go to Shades of Elegance to see if I can get a wax, because my foot won't wax. That's a while ago I was driving and there was this whole lot of traffic, big heavy traffic, and when we passed, I realized that somebody met in an accident, and she might try to lock me out. I'm not even go in on the line. So honestly, I said it's there. And she said when I go around, can't wait. No sir. And when we passed, I realized that one bike, somebody crash off of the bike, and when you look on the bike mash out. I hope him okay though. Only I don't know, it come like them have to rush him to the hospital. The bike just mash out. I just shit out there, so bike mash out, mash right out. Also, I have to be really careful. That's why I say me drive, my foot is really heavy, you know. So me having time, I say me know say it like it busy and a peak time, you know, I'm gonna catch me a drive fast. Yeah, so me used to go in a Shades of Elegance. Me used to come here regular, but it's like them uptown kind of places there.
I didn't know what my heart was in for till you stepped into the room. And I didn't show, but I wanted to know everything I could about you. See, I was told the dreams were made to be believed in. So
guys, I just got back in. I went to pick up my packages. I got 2 boxes. And funny enough, listen to me. When I was waiting for one of my package from last week, because normally them take like 2 days. Once you reach to Florida, them take 2 days. And me I say, how comes why am I not giving a package? But then again, me never really did fuss or anything like that, because me I say, you know, there must be a reason. And then my other package came, and then 2 days after that, I get an email. Somebody said, how comes I get the one before? So I went there and they checked and they found the other one. So apparently they didn't put in the one here. Nevertheless, I got my packages, and I also bought something, and I went to Shades of Elegance to do a waxing on my lower leg, because when they shave back on my upper leg, I didn't make no sense to do my whole leg. I always saw when I did the lower leg. So I did that. It cost me $3,000. Always go Shades of Elegance. If you want good service, go Shades of Elegance. From last week you hear me talking about, oh, I've been getting bad service. Like Shades of Elegance always give me top tier service. The only thing is that it's more expensive, and I guess you're paying for the service. They always greet me, like once if you have a birthday or so forth, they give you wine. Like I remember I brought my friend there to do like a massage or something, and she got her wine, she enjoyed her day and so on. And they always prep you, they do classes, like there's parking space, they even have a car wash. So if you go there and you are gonna do your hair or whatever, you can put your car right at the back to make it wash. You have a place that's a bathroom fixtures and so forth. And I went on there, and I've been wanting dirty clothes hamper, and I got one, and I actually like this one because it looks more, you know, kind of modern. So I got one of that. It's a $5,000, and yeah, so it's a big deal. So I'm just gonna open this package and we're gonna see it together, because honestly I don't remember what I bought. This is the dash cam. So there's this old man that always come on here. He say I get older and so forth, and he want me to buy him one dash cam. So I bought him this dash cam. Hopefully it can work. So I don't know. But nevertheless, you know, it's better to give than to receive. It looks like this. I'll get somebody to install it and so forth. Oh, it comes with a memory card. It's actually big. And then you have the camera, and then the mirror, and then, you know, say the screen is in the mirror. So it actually looks good. And it also comes with like the rear view camera. So that's that. This is the car thing. I've been wanting to wash the car, but I wanted to get stuff to wash the car. And so this is to add to my other collection for the car. So I have this thing that I can use to wash it. And it actually keeps your, what's this? So it keeps your hand dry. Nice, lovely. And it also comes with a bucket, a foldable bucket. It comes with the squingy, that's what you call it, for the mirror. It has another sponge thing. It has the dry cloth and some other sponges. This feels so nice. I have another cloth. You have this brush like for the tires and so forth. You have this dusting thing. You have this for the tires, like if it have stones. You have this for inside for dust down, and then this thing here for scrubbing between anything, and then some pills. This is to drop in the water. So yeah, it's a big deal. You gotta be washing your car. You don't need to go to no car wash. Finally have it. Yes, my automatic mobile phone holder, because the other one in the car was from like 4 years ago, and it now works no more. So I'm glad I have this, and this is what everybody's been dying over on TikTok. And that's it for this package. So let's go on to the next package. And so this is the Amaral multi-purpose. So you can use it to finish, clean inside, and it's a stain remover also. So this is for the car. And also this thing small. This is a motion light sensor. I buy it for the kitchen because I don't need the cupboard too dark. So I bought it for that. So you practically charge it and then put it under there, and then whenever you walk past, it lights up. This is so small though, but it's fine because one of the thing is just one little one, and then two of this can go in the other one, so it's perfect. Because I was thinking that maybe 3 was too much, but no, this is perfect, the perfect size. Then I bought hair because I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna do 4 locks because Shauna's gonna do it. I was gonna do it myself, but I want to over, so I'm gonna make sure do it. And then I also bought some apricot seed and black oil, seed oil, and this is to take every day, not to help you against certain diseases. You know, prevention is better than cure. So we're gonna take these daily and stay healthy. So that's all I actually bought from Amazon. And then, as I told you, next to Shades of Elegance, they have a bathroom place, and I've been wanting a vertical thing, and I bought this foldable one. So yeah, so you basically open it out and then drop this down in it. turning this close over, and look, there you have it. So easy, right? Yeah, I like it. So that will be all for my haul today. I don't know, I feel like I want to go somewhere, but I don't have nobody to go anywhere with, so I may not go anywhere. So let me tidy this up, and if anything, I'll come back to you. Okay? All right.
Every single dream in you, but you set the bar so high above the sky, and you nailed it to the floor. 'Cause for some odd reason I'm done believing in this one thing
I don't know if I check in this morning, I don't know, but today is Saturday. Happy Saturday. You told me I already started off the vlog from yesterday, but yes, today is actually Saturday. I went to do over my lashes, but no, it kind of hey, you can't please Vanessa, you can't please her. Like, it look too much now. It looks good, like when taking pictures and everything, but to me personally, it just look too long. Like, your lashes then too long. Like, maybe if you did just lick a bit down. But the good thing is that me can cut it, right? I can cut it, but it just probably will grow on me. But she did a really good job. I was her name again. I'll put her name up. She's really good at what she did, and she said me eyelash should I give her a award because my eyelash are forced in to play karachi, so it goes. She said first she ever see, I know the first me hear it stills. You can't have good hair everywhere. Yeah, it was relaxing. It was nice, and she kept asking me if I was okay, because if it's lie down for 2.5 hours, rough, you know, and then especially when you try to sleep, and then somebody play with the eye, and then me they barely a snore. So she always asks, every time we're frightened, she asks me if I'm okay. So I'm like that, she comforting, and she knows she do her work, and she do it really good. She asked me what more, and my fault. Me tell her I said do anything. Because I do something that will suit my eye, and she do it. When me tell her I say I want a classic set, and when I know it's a classic set up with long lashes. So yeah, but to me it's just that I don't know, I'm not sitting at the big mirror yet to appreciate it. It's alright, as I say, it look good because you can see it defined on the camera, right? Yeah, it looks really good, but it's just I'm not used to it. It is right now, it's 3:17. I went to the market, I got some pineapple because you know pineapple is my favorite food. I got banana, I was looking for okra because I want to do fish. I want to do something very quick tomorrow, so I have fish and bami, crackers and pumpkin. That's what I feel like I want to do tomorrow. I don't want nothing too heavy. And yeah, I have 2 fish. I was gonna plan to do that, but we can't get the okra. And what else did I buy? I buy tangerine. I haven't had tangerine in a long time. And the worst, I'm gonna buy orange the other day, and I did sour. So I hope this tangerine make up for the sour orange. So right now I'm in the line to go and buy food because I haven't had anything from morning. I am hungry. I'm gonna dip on fasting, so I don't know why me I starve myself. But guys, I feel kind of good. I feel good. You know, I'm meeting people and just like in my own space, in my own zone. Only thing I want now is money. I have money, but I don't want my money done. I want like steady income that's coming in. Yeah, understand? So I just can't wait to go back and work and save some money and just plan towards my next step. Yeah. And so I just wanted to check in. By the way, since I'm sitting here, I'm going to go through the comments, right? Because someone already commented on my video that I just posted. So I'm going to go through the comments. Alright, let me see if I can pull up the video and go through the comments. Because I did promise you guys a comment shout out. And I didn't do it last week, like the video that went. So let me just do that right now. Alright, going down to the comments. Right now there's 13 comments. Alright, so Carlene said, I need your help with getting a summer job. I'm an HB worker. If you can help it getting rough. Oh, okay. So she was on the H2B program. Girl, it's really getting rough. That is why I see. I am so glad. I am so glad that I secured my spot before I left US. I went to the HR and said, listen, I am leaving my stuff, I'm coming back, and my manager them did love me and everything. So like, if I tell you something, sending one resume this season, I'll be lying, right? And it's not good because it's like I'm just solely dependent on that company. And it's not even say I don't want to, it's just that I just have so much faith that this person's going to take me back, and I don't want to take any more. Like, I don't want to be selfish, because many people are taking the offers and not taking it. Because even with this company that I'm going, there's many people that saying that they're going back, and them tell me personally say they're not going back. And they took the offer, and you guys like you know that won the offer are not getting it. So yeah, it's really rough. All I can say is just keep pushing. If you know how to apply, just keep applying, keep applying. And let me tell you, not because you're not getting any response right now, many employers don't know where they stand. Majority of them are going to know like the ending of this month, which is February, into March. March is where you're going to get a lot of response. So just keep sending notes, keep applying, just because you never know. Many employers have your resume put down, you know, especially if you look good, them have your resume put down and say, yo, I want this girl on my team. And when the time comes, they'll call you. So just keep applying, keep calling, just keep applying. Right? I don't have any job, and my place full already. Like, me not have no job put down. Me just literally help people know how to go on the program. I don't have any job put down. Kerry Palmer on their website write about their experience. Maybe they can change. I'm gonna take up for the server because maybe he is an introvert and he had just started the job. Oh yeah, well, yeah, I don't mind having biased views, because honestly I was thinking too, like, maybe, but on the other hand, if you're an introvert, certain position is not for you. And I understand, say, yes, Jamaica is rough and you need to have a job and blah, blah, blah. If you come out of your comfort zone sometimes, like, if you know that you're not this kind of person and you're applying for this kind of job, you have to be willing to change and adapt to the environment. You can't just come and just give like poor service. You know, in a sense, you're going to make the company look bad, and it's going to look bad for you too. Right? And this is why I was trying to give him the benefit of the doubt, but for the whole night, it's like, I don't know, maybe it's because there was kids on the table, maybe it was like too laid back. Maybe if there was like more adults, it would be like giving me 100. I don't know, but it was annoying for me, because me being a server and knowing what good customer service is, it made me annoyed, right? And I don't, you know, honestly, I don't like to leave bad reviews. I don't like to leave bad reviews. Like, we feel like some company have good days and bad days, and it could be that it was a bad day for that server. So I really don't like to leave bad reviews. I will talk it, and if it reach to whoever, whatever. As we said, the ambience is nice, the food not bad. It's just that the service was poor. And I think it's Jamaica overall. You have some places they give bad, and this is not the first place me go and me get bad service. Most Jamaican don't know good service. You enjoying Jamaica so far to the point where you don't want to go back to the state. Alright, listen to me. We love Jamaica. The only thing is that you need money for Jamaica, and then because the country is so small and they have so much people here, there's so much people that come from different countries. People have pitney, and the place is so crowded. And not only that, as I said, no money in the year, no job in the year. Well, job the year, but why it's rough. So I feel as if if I have money, I still would want to live in this state, because I really don't have nobody out here. Like, me not a man, me not a pitney, my parents them not the year, my siblings them not the year. Like, if I could choose, I would choose to live in the state, because to like have a business there, for me personally, I think it's better, and there's so much more opportunity I can save, right? Because yes, I'm on the program and we get subsidized rent. I can save. as opposed to if I was living there and me had so much things to take care of, I would understand, so well, all of my money are going at this and going at that and going at that and whatever. But I feel like it is, you have more opportunities to save when you're in the state than in Jamaica. And I feel more secure and safe when I'm in the state, personally. So yeah, me love my country and all that, but is that like said to the point where I don't want to go back and go work? No. Style, I'm here but not here, if you understand what I mean. I'm just hanging on. Yeah, I understand, like sometimes I feel that way as much as you guys watch me. You remember, I know I'm only going to put some stuff on the internet, and I totally understand. One day you're there, next day you're not, and that's so away. But yeah, like mentally you're not here because you can have so much thing thinking on. You want to accomplish this time or not. Like, listen, girl, me not no pitney. Me half my age, half of the almanac, you know. Me not no pitney, me not no man, me no married, me not no house, me have a car, yes, and me have somewhere me live and me have to pay rent, yes. But there are certain things that I want, that I see people in them 20, when them are 22, them accomplish it, and me not accomplish it yet. You understand? So even especially when you're around my birthday, that is why me always, like, if you remember, from I think it's 2021, me start say, you know what, for my birthday, I'm not going into depression no more. I'm going to try and do things for my birthday. No more than 2021, 2023. Because 2023, I think I went out and I did movie and spa and whatever last year until I went to Vegas. Yeah, so like I totally understand. Girl, just pray, do what you have to do your best, and God will do the rest. Don't stress about it. Take one day at a time, things will get better. And what I always look upon, I always like look back and say, you know, similar to which part me used to there. I come a far away. Where I used to there, me not there no more. And that actually keep me going, because you know, for when me I try to get a car, you know, for when me want a car, and people get car in their 20s and see them me just get a car, me buy it cash. We don't own nobody. Right now, if anything happens to the car, I can go and fix it myself or whatever. And I could buy a piece of land if I wanted to, but me have other things looking into, if you understand. So not happen before the time. You know much time I go to altar and them pray for me, say go get a car, you release a key and all them something there. And I see all people that in the 20s that take a brand new car. Listen, not before the time, yeah? I remember we're all running our own race, okay? Miss Brown said the yard is usually alright, so I don't know what's happening lately. So it seems like something been, I don't know, like maybe new management or they might get too comfortable or whatever. I don't know, maybe. Ikara Squeaky said it annoying. So Kerry said, I love green juice but not a fan of kale. I only drink kale in drinks. Mercy. This is one I know, this is one here make me the one here make me really wanted to do the comment shout out today. So Mercy said, sorry me late, my Wi-Fi gone for a couple days, but it's just a comeback, but I'm here. The fact that she says sorry me late, like she owe me something. Like Mercy. Mercy say sorry me late, like she owe me something. Girl. But I love that though. I love that. She can't say that you're a real G. You know, girl says sorry she late. She should have been here a long time to watch the vlog. But big up yourself, my girl. Love that. Love you. Love all that uno. That Nick said the gym is like that. You know, it's good, but I also don't want to go to this place. Like, honestly, that is why I pay for the trainer, because me no mistake. Especially when you know you get up in the morning and you're like, oh, I don't have to go today. No, me have to go because my money up on the line. I paid $7,000 for membership and $15,000 for the trainer. You think the trainer get the money? So no, me I get up all the time. I do. Last time we even messaged him. He said, oh, we have a gym tomorrow, which is today is a Saturday. He said no. I said okay. You know, I can work with that. So Crystal said that's what I'm hearing about them right now. Ice. Yeah man, it's a going bad. It's a going bad. And you know much people me know run off who go up with me and who me meet along the way, I say to them, say, yo, listen, just get a company that will take you back from Jamaica and just don't run off. And they run off. And right now, who would have known? Who would know say it would have come to this? But pray for them, my love. And me not comment or line on because we need to go back and reply manually. Love the video on happy you finally came out of the house. As a HB returning, I totally understand. It can be boring when you have no one to go out. Hope to meet you one day. Yes, girls, simply. Shan, yeah man, we can link up. The customer service in Jamaica is another story. Be blessed and take care. Everybody here complain about it. Like, hey, any day we have a business out here, I'm sorry for all of them. You see, I'm employee them. I better take a customer service course before they come to my job because there's no way you're going to have poor customer service at my place. You mad? You're mad, crazy, sick. When time people come at my place, they're supposed to talk about it. Even if the food, say for instance, we open a restaurant, even if the food not good, they're supposed to have good customer service. So say, you know, so the food ain't good enough, but I'll go back for the customer service. No, sir. Akelia, just checking in. Akelia is a YouTuber, guys, so go and check her out. Yeah, go and check her out. Basically, just started 6 months ago, and she did 294 subscribers. She get decent views. Yeah, man. Category things that I don't think she's on the program. I think she live over there, but she is a upcoming YouTuber, so you can go and check her out. Yeah, and then that's all the comments. You see, I know I'm gonna get through. So I'm hungry, really. Yeah, but I feel so at peace and content. And this car does make so much noise. You hear that? It annoys me. It annoys me. I mean, the guy said I'm not gonna be able to fix it until Thursday. So, I go to church tomorrow. I go do me here Monday. I'm gonna see if we can get the parts. Check one mechanic, the mechanic say this part, and then the other one that this was to fix it. Him say no, and this part, if I did this part, it would have make nice when me I drive or something like so. So I must say probably there's a stone or something stuck in it. I mean, I say, yo, it's annoying. You need to come fix it because people are looking at the car. Anyway, I'll talk to you soon, okay? Good morning, guys. Just coming from church. Yeah, just coming from church. It is now. And I actually went to shopping service 9:30 because I went to the morning service. But, can you just appreciate the hair? Can you just appreciate the look? Like, I think I'm going to buy another one of this set. If they have like a different color, I think I'm going to buy it. Like, I really like this. Really love it. Yeah. So, I am going to cook fish, okra, and bami. And what else? Yeah, I'm going to blend up some oats and so. I can't believe someone just have to go buy oats. After me, I told me something not buy the oats because oats in the barrel. But the barrel them the bad. I can't do it. But I'm gonna just go and scale the fish and those good stuff, and then I don't know what's going on later. But I was gonna go and check my friend, but then someone asked for a ride, so I'll give them the ride, and I didn't go look for my friends. So maybe later on I go and look for them. Maybe later on I can go to the Souls. I Love Souls, something like that event at the lot. I don't know. All depends. I've been trying to stay in these days, not only because outside expensive, but you know, for safety. Yes, I know that they can come in your house and whatever, but sometimes it's safe in your yard, yeah, man. Yeah. So I just come to check in to tell you that, hey, happy Sunday. Hope you're having a blessed Sunday. Please remember to be grateful in everything that you do. Have a grateful heart, and what I learned today is that, you know, you pray for stuff. Like, say for instance, you're praying for healing, you're praying for money, you're praying for deliverance or whatever. But when you stop and give God thanks, you're already believing that it is already done. So you don't have the money yet, but say, yo, God, thank you for the money, you know? thank you for my deliverance. You know, you're giving God thanks. And God go up there and say, why am I never heal her, you know, but since you thank me, let me do it anyway. So yes, be grateful in everything that you do. So let's just change our talk, right? You know, we don't talk negative over here. Even if we either had to say no, we had not had to, we had had to, yes, but guess what? We are declaring saying I had to. So we speak positive stuff. So let's just change our thinking and our talking and say, yo, God, me not see the money yet, but I thank you for it. Alright? Me not get to go up on a program yet, but I thank you for it. Me not get an interview yet, but me thank you. So next week I get the interview. Yes. Right? So let's just go about our week this week and just give God thanks. Give God thanks, and out of that, me drop my notes on, you know. I have my notes, so me give you the notes and me tell you what I go on when you give God thanks, when you're grateful. Alright? So number one, it helps with your mental health. Right? It's something like I'm going to take it past, that's something that I preach good. Yeah, help with your mental health. Because it's like you already don't believe and have faith, say, yo, this is gonna happen, and you're not gonna worry about it anymore, if you understand. So it helps with your mental health. Thanksgiving also bring increase. So as I'm saying, I have it, but I give God thanks for it. And you have Bible scriptures for these two, so you can focus on, like, for the first one is Philippians 4:6, and the next one is Jeremiah 30:19. Some of these scriptures, you never get them right still. And then you have Acts 2:47. And then the third one is Thanksgiving usher deliverance. As I say, you know, yeah, give thanks to things. So it will deliver you from your brokenness, deliver you from lack, deliver you from like any health issues or whatever. Because I give thanks for it. Thanksgiving creates an atmosphere of unusual miracles. We don't expect it, but guess what? We have a miracle working God. So that is point 4. I have 6 of them. I'm pretty sure there were more. Thanksgiving increase energy level and cause manifestation. Now, what I learned is that when you're thankful, you know, you're more energized. You know, yes, you're tired or whatever. But I don't know if you understand. Like, have you ever, like, I worry about something and it's like depression just take you over, you just don't want to do nothing? Like, you're sick and you just don't want to do nothing. But you see, when you're grateful and thankful and say, yo, yes, thank you, Lord, me wake up this morning, and you pray and command the day, and you just have all the energy in the world to do whatever you want to do. Yes, that is. You know, so when I started this, smell like this. When I take the notes and come preach to them, you understand? Yeah. And the sixth and final one is that Thanksgiving creates an atmosphere for strange things to happen. Should I say anymore? Yeah, so be grateful this week. Now, so if you not pray, but we're not going to pray this week and ask God for things. We're going to say, God, I thank you for this. I thank you for that. We're not see it yet, but we're thanking God for it. And when we do that, God are going to release Him hands on us. So, have a blessed day, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, this is Sister Vanessa coming in. Oh God, I'm really happy. Yes, I feel a little bit sickish. So I bought DPH, and I'm going to take that because I don't want to be. And I think it's like a sinus thing. It's like all the way right here. So I take my DPH and thank God that I am well. Right? different night.
It's a nice just for you and I, 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 you and I.
Alright guys, so I just finished with gym, legs day. You know how that go, very brutal, made crazy and everything. I wanted to buy jelly, but I'm not going to buy none. I have an ear appointment. I want to go and buy a bulb. So I'm going to buy the bulb right now because last night when I was coming from the lot, police stopped me. 2 police at that. He says it's not an offense still, but then they make note of 1. So I say, you know what, I'm going to buy it because I'm so glad that he reminded me because I saw it and one thing with me, I like entire things in place. And I was like, thank you for reminding me, officer. So I'm going to see if I can get the bulb right now. And then I'm going to go home, wash my hair, see if I can dry it so I can do it. I'm going to go by Tashana. She's going to install the soft locks. It's like a goddess soft locks. Burgundy, I'm going to put that in. So I'm just going to go and get the bulb right now. And then wash my hair, go by her. Last night Adola was cool. We didn't plan to go, but we ended up going because I picked up my friend because I haven't seen them. Like since I come from me surprise them, that was the last time. And it's been like weeks, maybe a month ago. Yeah, a month ago. Well, not really a month, like 3 weeks ago. And I haven't seen them since then. I'm like, listen, when we're there, but now it's a cost me, now me there, it's like I cannot see you. That don't make no sense. So me pick up one of them, so we're gonna eat ice cream, and then I was telling her about the lot, and she said, okay, let's go. And we went, and it was fun. It was nice, even though we spent when we never really want to spend. Yeah, we spent too much money, guys. Can't wait. I need to find a way to make some more money. Yo, we carry the car, got the place and ask them if they have the light. The man just goes on licky. And they come back up. No, he said sometimes that's all you need to do. But the thing is, you see some people, some places where you go, they will know that you need to do it now and they will sell you the lights because they want to make money. Like me rate the auto place them, not to lie. Rate the auto place them, pick up yourself, not even remember what they name. But it's like after you pass the clock going to a Brighton, the first auto shop. Yo, pick up yourself. The man just goes on lick it and said that's all you need sometimes, but if it continue like that, then you need to change it. Yo, you see, honest people. Nice, love that.
Baby, turn around now. See that sexy body go bum bum bum. That is all I wanna see. Baby, show me.
I just came from the gym, yes, and I worked my ass off because this week I'm trying to push harder than last week. Now that my muscles is used to the pain, yeah, because we do legs yesterday and my foot hurt me, but it don't hurt me that much. So you can know say my muscles adapt. So I know the AC is on, so it's kind of loud, sorry. But yeah, I went hard. I'm going hard this week. I'm gonna go home, shower, and head out to town because I have to go to Birds to get some parts, and then I also going to have a little picnic date. Yeah. So I'm gonna go. I haven't slept last night. I'm gonna sleep last night, and when I go into town, then I'm safe. Right, look up to nothing. Take care. I wrong, but make rest of the judge. Yeah, so when I go into town, I'm gonna see if I can get like a Starbucks or some with caffeine, that so I can stay awake. You understand? Right now we hear it in the bonnet at the gym, but I take it out so that it can get the hair. So I can get a little fresh air and dry the little sweat them inside. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can style it when I reach home because I don't want to wear it like this. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you the agenda. I haven't been vlogging much because you know the weekend is just one day weekday. Not even do no daily week vlog. Oh God, I don't know look out for it now. I'm not look out for it. No, no, may I say we can do one quick videos. I don't know. This week is one of the weekday and I hope you understand. Remember, say I'm only supposed to do weekly. Really only. I don't know how they do it. No man. Life when life and life. Like how not. We need somebody to organize my life because we need to be organized. I think that's it. I need to like have a specific day when I say, alright, this is content day. Other than me just doing vlog, daily vlog. Beep. My mother free. You don't see me.
Well, look, I just see me look at your picture.
Oh,
you know, some party or something. Like, you know, some party or something. So, when we come out, look, you know what time we turn back? Over the lane.
Oh, see the
see you. Yeah.
It's my mom friend. Just putting on my time. That's my mom and Nessa too, though. But yeah, that's like a long time family friend. I'm gonna tell my mother something see him. Him look good for 50 though, nah tell no lie. Him look like him in your 40s. Saying exercise. You see why you guys need to go and exercise? You know, get the fat them tight and your, because no people are the Botox and all you need to do is just go to the gym and firm up your body. You don't need to do Botox. Right? So just go to the gym, firm up your body. Body go bam bam bam.
Come on, don't stop, let's go, come on. I break her heart, although I gotta let her go, so baby, say you wanna give up.
What guy
Guys talk about, you know,
bad things in life.
Ooh, that dress so scandalous, and you know another nigga can handle it. So you shaking that thing like who's bitch? With a look in the eyes so devilish, cause you never la vida loca. Yeah, I'm stuck a truck, guys like what, baby, we what, let me see that song. Baby, show that dong.
I've come to the end of another video, and I know this video is not it, but let me tell you, this week is one of those weeks and you almost didn't get a video, but I pushed. Right now it is, let me tell you, it is Saturday 12:40 a.m. so you're gonna get this later on in the day. So thank you for watching this far in the video, and look out for next week. I'm gonna try do better next week. This week was just crazy. So many things happened, good and bad, and it was just like busy. So I was like all over the place. Never really have time to sit down and edit properly. If you realize, it's just basic, but I have to show up, you know, for my people, and that's what I did. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a spectacular week this week, and I'll see you next week, and I'll try to give you a daily vlog. Sorry for this week, but just know, when life, yeah, the struggle is real. So thank you for reaching this far, and if you reach this far, just drop a blue heart in the comment, and I'll see you next week. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, like the video if you don't like the video yet, and stay tuned for more. Bye.